Kakunhun jong ka All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association kalalit ban kendu mentangasngi kakandai turik unaitung arajan arpusau yang menteri kakam jungo kai perthei uba polengdo. Nakaliang ka association kalalit ban kendu ya ka sorkar ban khang no ya baro ki kali ki bawan ban kamai na ki wei pat ki jela ban kit ya ki nong lej nong wan na nong ba shlong shaki jaka jungo kai ba pher ha ka jela da ka ba kadeu ya ka jingdu nong ka ba krau ka ba khta ya ki nong nya taxi jungo kai perthei jong ka jela.
The purpose of meeting it's been like requesting the government to ban all vehicles of other state to carry touring passenger from Shillong to different tourist spots of our states. Respected sir, with reference to the subject seated about the All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association, AKMTTA has passed the decision on 1st July 2024 and unanimously decided to place before your honor our earnest request that the government issue an order to ban all kinds of vehicles of other state to carry passenger from Shillong, taking them to different tourist spots of our state. This does not mean that the association is against the aim and objective of tourism in the state. Outside vehicles are free to bearing tourists to our state, but it is the right that duty of local tourist vehicle to usher them to different tourist spots. The destination of our outside states vehicle end in Shillong and back where they come from. According to the directions of Director Tourism Department, the association has made sure survey of all types of vehicle, buses, tourist vehicle and even private vehicle flying passenger inside our state. This is unacceptable. Copies of survey and attached herewith for favor of your kind information and necessary action. The action has further collected the following data of daily basis. That number one, number of vehicle bearing tourists is 3,543. Number two, number of outside state vehicle is 2,437. Number three, number of local vehicle is 1,106. And number four, number of Meghalaya vehicles registered is 5,220. Number five, number of Meghalaya vehicles with our passenger is 4,014.